Here today, joining me is Debbie Cunningham, who is a singer with a beautiful voice, joined Ladies Who Launch to launch her singing career. And what I think is so interesting, Debbie, and I'm so happy to have you here today, is that launching a career in singing is really about branding yourself and your voice, and it's very, very entrepreneurial, yet many would not think of it as a traditional business. So if you can talk a little bit about your experience having launched this and continuing to launch it. We know you have a CD out, Debbie Cunningham, and tell us just what it's like to launch an art, really, and to brand yourself in the process.
Well, wow, that's a big question. You know, it's all about what you love to do. And what I want to do, although it isn't a traditional business that you would think about launching, it is in the sense that I wear all the hats that a record company wears. I do all the financing, all the marketing, all the promotion of myself. I just happen to be the commodity. And so I had to think about that. And when I saw Ladies Who Launch and I heard about it, I loved the idea of women coming together and encouraging each other in a business, but also having other people's input, especially the feminine input, into what I was doing in that kind of a setting, and to really create outside of the box.
Now, I have heard your voice,
Okay.
and it is absolutely beautiful, soothing, just fabulous. I wonder, you know, when I heard you, I wondered, have you always had a passion for this? When did you know that you had a talent that was above and beyond just, you know, the everyday person in the shower singing a tune?
When I was a child, of course, I sang all the time in school, and I did the plays and the shows in school, and then I actually went to Temple University and got a Bachelor of Music degree. But then I put that aside to raise my kids. And although I really wanted a music career, I just had to put it aside so that I could be the wife and mom that I wanted to be for quite a few years.
And so at what point then, so how old are your children now?
Almost 14 and 10.
Okay, and at what point did you feel like, you know, I think I can do that. I think I can make the leap, because you're not unlike so many women who take time off to raise their children, who may even moderate the growth of their company for a while if they do have a business, trading that for a stable lifestyle and the ability to juggle their families and pick their kids up from school. At what point did you think in your mind, you know what, I think I'm going to re-enter. I'm going to get back out there again?
It was turning 40.
Turning 40. Okay.
It was a big deal, and I thought to myself, you know, I've given all this time to my kids, and that nagging sense of I never fulfilled that part of the dream that I really wanted to do. I wanted to have a music career, and I had all but decided not to. And it just didn't go away. And I thought, if I don't give this a chance, I will always regret it. So I thought, why not? I finally gave myself permission. And I think as women and also as moms, we facilitate everybody else's lives. And we forget to facilitate our hopes and our dreams in the process. But it's been a great experience.
Well, you're absolutely right. And it's so great that you're leading the way for other women to follow in your footsteps. Could I ask you, would you be willing to sing a little bit for us today?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Your choice, whatever.
The title cut from this CD is called What Are You Doing the Rest of Your Life? And so I'll just sing the first line. What are you doing the rest of your life?
Wow. Okay. Well, you certainly asked the question. We're going to answer it for you. Keep launching our dreams. When did you join Ladies Who Launch in the process of launching?
Okay, I joined Ladies Who Launch after I had already released my first CD, but I needed to learn more about being a businesswoman. And I am an entertainer, but I also am a businesswoman, and I needed to learn more about how to approach my consumer from a business perspective, marketing and promoting, because there are other things I want to do with my business as a singer besides entertain people. I would like to move my music forward and be able to partner with nonprofits, charities, to do a give back with them and to help support them. As one person, I can do a very small amount financially, but as a group of people, we can really make an impact and then also elevate those charities and expose them for the great work that they're doing.
Wow, that is such a great growth strategy, and I love hearing about all the creative ways that you're thinking about using your skill and your talent, and also just that you've really embraced learning about business and all the other elements that come with your craft. So thank you for sharing that with us.
You're welcome.
And for inspiring other women to do it too.
Thank you. Thank you for having me today.
Thank you.